How to forgive a cheating partner. 17 steps to take. Your partner cheated on you, and it feels awful. The betrayal cuts deep, shaking your trust and testing your emotional limits. Yet, in your heart of hearts, you've decided you want to forgive them. Forgiveness isn't an easy road, but it's the path to healing, both for you and potentially for your relationship. If you're wondering how to forgive a cheating partner, this guide provides 17 actionable steps to help you move forward. 1. Commit to forgiving them. Forgiveness is a decision, and committing to it is the first step. Let your partner know that while you've decided to forgive, it's a process, one that will take time and effort from both of you. Say something like, "I'm working toward forgiving you, but it's going to take baby steps and hard work from both of us." This communication establishes a foundation for rebuilding trust without prematurely absolving them. 2. Accept that forgiveness is essential to saving the relationship. If you want your relationship to survive, forgiveness isn't optional. Harboring anger and resentment will make it impossible to treat your partner with the respect and kindness necessary for a healthy relationship. Accepting this truth can accelerate the healing process and help you focus on the future rather than the past. 3. Spend some time apart. The initial revelation of an affair often brings raw, overwhelming emotions. If possible, create some physical distance to process your feelings. This doesn't mean breaking up or taking a relationship break, but rather allowing space for reflection. If you live together, one of you might temporarily stay elsewhere. For couples with children, prioritize stability for them by maintaining a consistent routine. 4. Seek to understand their infidelity. Understanding why the cheating happened can help you process your emotions. Was it a one-time mistake or a prolonged affair? What factors in your relationship or their personal life contributed to this behavior? This isn't about justifying their actions, but gaining insight that can inform your path forward. Empathy can be a powerful tool in your journey to forgiveness. 5. See your partner as a flawed human being. No one is perfect. While this doesn't excuse infidelity, it can help you reframe your partner's actions as a reflection of their imperfections rather than a personal attack on you. Understanding their humanity can soften the anger you feel and open the door to compassion. 6. Remember their good qualities. Think about what initially drew you to your partner. Reflecting on their positive traits can help balance the negative emotions you're experiencing. It reminds you why the relationship is worth saving and gives you motivation to work toward reconciliation. 7. See forgiveness as a gift to yourself. Forgiveness isn't just for your partner, it's also for you. Holding on to anger and pain keeps you trapped in emotional turmoil. By choosing forgiveness, you release yourself from this burden and take a step toward inner peace. 8. Avoid retaliation or holding grudges. Seeking revenge or constantly bringing up their cheating will only prolong your pain and create more distance between you. Let go of the need to punish them. Instead, focus on rebuilding trust and fostering positive interactions. 9. Be mindful of triggers. Certain names, places, or objects might remind you of the affair and reignite your pain. Identify these triggers and try to minimize their impact. This might involve changing routines, replacing physical items, or avoiding specific locations temporarily. 10. Notice improvements in your feelings. As you work through your emotions, you'll likely notice a gradual shift from anger and sadness to hope and connection. Celebrate these small victories as signs of progress. Acknowledging improvement can keep you motivated to continue the forgiveness journey. 11. Address underlying relationship issues. Infidelity often occurs in the context of broader relationship problems. Identify these issues and work together to resolve them. This might involve improving communication, rebuilding intimacy, or addressing unmet needs. Professional counseling can provide valuable guidance. 12. Prioritize open communication. Honest, ongoing dialogue is crucial. Share your feelings, listen to your partner's perspective, and discuss how to move forward. These conversations might be uncomfortable, but they're necessary for rebuilding trust and understanding. 13. Do nice things for your partner. Acts of kindness can help rekindle positive feelings. Simple gestures like cooking their favorite meal or leaving a thoughtful note show your commitment to the relationship. These actions can gradually shift the dynamic from one of hurt to one of healing. 14. Date your partner again. Rediscover the joy and connection you felt when you first started dating. Plan outings, try new activities, or revisit favorite spots from your early days together. These experiences can reignite your bond and create new, positive memories. 15. Be patient with yourself. Forgiveness is a process, not an overnight event. Allow yourself time to work through your emotions without pressure. It's normal to have setbacks, but persistence and patience will eventually lead to progress. 16. Forgive yourself. You might feel guilt or regret about things you said or did in the aftermath of discovering the affair. Acknowledge these feelings and let them go. Forgiving yourself is an essential part of moving forward and finding peace. 17. Forgetting is not necessary. Forgiveness doesn't mean erasing the memory of what happened. Intrusive thoughts may surface from time to time, but they don't have to define your present or future. Focus on how you think, feel, and act moving forward rather than dwelling on past pain. Final thoughts. Forgiving a cheating partner is one of the most challenging things you'll ever do, but it's also one of the most transformative. By committing to these 17 steps, you can heal, rebuild trust, and create a stronger, more resilient relationship. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, one that frees you from the chains of anger and opens the door to a brighter future. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.